Hello everybody, this is Henan Fitaki Food. We are professionally producing the dried vegetables, onion, garlic and ginger. And today we will introduce our featured product, the mixed dried vegetables. The mixed dried vegetables can be used for instant noodles or some fast restaurants. And we generally use the dried carrots, dried cabbage, and dried corn or some seasoning to retain a healthy and scientific match. And there are also some other vegetables can be mixed as your need. So that means we can customize the mix of the vegetable to meet your requirements. And about the package, as you can see, we can make the bulk package in 1 kg, 2 kg, or even 20 kg per carton. And we can also do the small sachet for instant noodles. So yes, these packages are all available. We can meet your all kinds of needs. Please welcome to choose us.